everyone. I'm Minakshi from the editorial team of SEM Spectrum. SEM Spectrum is an online news portal that serves as a comprehensive hub for industry insights, news, and latest trend in logistic and supply chain industry. Today, we have got an opportunity to interview Nitin Jain, the CEO of Inyantra Technologies Private Limited. Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you? Yeah, tell me.
I'm good. So, sir, there are a lot of government initiatives or schemes such as production linked incentive. How do you see that such scheme are reshaping the semiconductor ecosystem in India?
So, first of all, I like to highlight that all these schemes that has been initiated by Government of India, which is like the PLI, FAME, the MEIS, and all other schemes that helps the companies to get better benefits in terms of investment, and also the revenue linked incentives that are going, it gives an opportunity for them to be competitive in the global market. And 3 to 6% incentive from the government when it comes to any production that we are doing and linked to a revenue makes us competitive, which is a testimony that has been like we are the largest iPhone manufacturers in the world right now, which we were not, right? So all these benefits, subsidies are certainly helpful, and I feel I like to thank Government of India for promoting such schemes.
What are the major challenges that industry face while it comes to semiconductor supply chain?
See, the semiconductor supply chain is being there are a lot of headwinds. One of the headwind is that we don't have the ecosystem for making the fabricating chips, and most of the chips are being imported from China or from Taiwan or from other Southeast Asian countries. So the headwind that I see in this industry is the investment that goes into the fabricating unit, which I feel with the lot of schemes of the government that are getting in place, I feel that headwind will become an opportunity for all of us. So from time to time, there are new headwinds like, uh, for example, the magnet crisis that is going on right now, or maybe the sea crisis that are going on. The duty is becoming a crisis. So all these are something which are a part and parcel of a day-to-day business. But I feel the environment and the policies of government are very conducive for make in India, grow in India, and make for the world. I'm very hopeful that these challenges can be overcome very soon.
So there is a major trend in the industry: AI, IoT, blockchain. How do you think that these emerging technologies will reshape the or influence the semiconductor fabrication or manufacturing?
So we talk about AI a lot. That AI is something that would be shaping, or maybe a blockchain. But I would like to insist that instead of just getting into AI on day one, just get into a habit of accumulating data. Once you have the right data, that data can be processed through Gen AI or through predictive analysis or whatever other AI methodologies are available, and that is what is important, right? Right, get the data correct, and then get your team aligned with what is important for your business, for your manufacturing need, for the automation. How can AI help you? How can blockchain help you? And establish better practices that can give you more output for the same investment that you are making. So all in all, I feel these are the technologies that are not far behind when it comes to implementation in the manufacturing sector, and particularly semiconductor fabrication.
So, what are your views on local sourcing versus global sourcing in semiconductor manufacturing, and which do you think it is better?
Certainly, local sourcing is better. Right now, we don't have an ecosystem to even manufacture anything in India right now. So the chips are being imported directly or indirectly. So we don't have an option. So certainly, if we have an option, local sourcing is always better. And we are getting into local manufacturing of lot of other commodities apart from chips. So I feel that this industry is going to change in next 3 to 5 years, and the trend should also change. We will have more fabrication units coming up which will help the industry overall. But yeah, by far, local sourcing is more important than global sourcing.
Thank you so much, sir. It was nice speaking to you. And thank you so much for sharing your thoughts on semiconductor manufacturing, which is better, and everything. Thank you, sir.